a labyrinth of narrow alleys, stone facades and centuries-old buildings. Sarlat is one of the best preserved medieval towns in all of France. And its architecture tells the story of a time where bishops and merchants shaped its streets, and much of that history still stands untouched. Welcome to Sarlat-la-Canéda. Widely regarded as one of France's most beautiful towns, Sarlat-la-Canéda is a remarkably well-preserved example of a 14th century medieval settlement. Tucked in the heart of the Dordogne Valley is cobbled streets, golden limestone facades, and traditional lozère tiled roofs offer a vivid window into the past. Modern development has largely bypassed Sarlat, allowing its narrow lanes, inner courtyards and open squares to retain their authentic medieval character. The history of Sarlat really begins with the Middle Ages, about the year 1000. A small village grew up, made of wood, typical of the era. The village prospered, built a church, and retained a bishop. Later, the Romanesque Cathedral was constructed, which still stands today. But then there were troubles. The wooden buildings were all destroyed by warfare and a big fire and had to be replaced and rebuilt all at once. It was decided to rebuild Sarlat in stone. So from about 1450, in just 50 years, the whole town that we see today was constructed. Timber frame houses and stone townhouses line the street, creating the atmosphere of a historic market town that continues to thrive. The focus of the town is the main square, Place de la Liberté, which has a variety of purposes and functions. On market day, it's filled with market stalls, and then in the evening the tables come out and the restaurants open up. So this really is the central focal point of the town, with little alleys and lanes leading out from it in every direction. As you walk around in the heart of Sarlat, you'll come across narrow passage alleys that mysteriously lead from one courtyard space to the next. It's like a maze, a medieval maze. It's one of the richest historical sites in France. One such courtyard is the Place du Marché aux Oies, named for the traditional goose markets once held there. Today, a bronze sculpture of 3 life-size geese honours the region's culinary heritage. The square is surrounded by elegant buildings adorned with turrets, pinnacles, and carved staircases. Among these is the Manoir de Gisons, a castle-like 13th century residence that offers visitors a glimpse into the aristocratic life in medieval Sarlat. The house is open to the public and includes period furnishings and historical exhibits. No visit to Sarlat is complete without stepping inside the Cathedral Saint-Sacerdos. Originally founded in the 9th century, the structure combines Romanesque and Gothic architectural styles. Its belfry and western facade are the oldest surviving elements. Just above the cathedral stands the Lanterne des Morts, literally the Lantern of the Dead. This unusual bullet-shaped tower has served many functions over the centuries, including as a chapel and even a gunpowder store. Tucked just beyond Sarlat's medieval centre, the convent of St. Clair offers a quiet glimpse into the town's spiritual past. Founded in the 13th century by the Poor Clares, an order known for their vows of silence and poverty, the convent was a place of contemplation and simplicity. Sarlat is an ideal size, large enough to offer rich history, vibrant markets and a cultural charm, yet small enough that every hidden square and cobbled alley is just a short, pleasant walk from the town centre. We are Cinematic Travels, and we really hope you enjoy our videos. And please like and subscribe if you do.